Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. So markets are mixed to higher overnight. Got beans up 8 cents in the nearby. Corn's about unchanged at 6.89 on the July, while wheat's up 5 cents in Chicago at 6.98. Minneapolis wheat up 19 cents at 7.90. And again, we're mostly trading weather with the 10-day outlook across the upper Midwest, Northern Plains, Canada Prairies, and Pacific Northwest drier and warmer than normal. We did have lower calls overnight in the nearby corn, and because the USDA rated the corn crop 76% good to excellent, this well above the expectations and average. Nebraska's number one at 88, followed by Iowa at 81, and Illinois at 80. We also noted that the spring wheat crop was rated 43% good to excellent versus 45 last week at 80 last year, and winter wheat's 48% versus 47 last week. China soybean exports last week, all origins, were close to 2 million tons. Season to date is close to 69 million tons, which is up 6% from last year versus USDA's estimate of 1%. China also had a crush of 2 million tons last week, up 8% from last year. USDA's forecast is up 5%. Brazil soybean loadings right now line up at 7 million tons for June. May was 14 million tons. Matif rapeseed and Canada canola contracts yesterday all make 2-week highs. China last week shipped a record amount of 1 million tons of corn from the U.S., and we're estimating that all origins will probably be 34 million tons this year versus USDA's 26. And more talk about the Brazil corn crop below 90 million tons, suffering the worst drought in 91 years. We also noted that Matif wheat futures were at 3-week highs yesterday. Outside markets, the dollar is higher. Crude is also higher on talk of better demand, while the gold and copper markets are lower. Coffee and sugar are higher, and we noted yesterday cattle futures were up because of the GBS ransomware cyber attack. So we think that, first of all, weather is friendly to the marketplace, should add some premium to the market. Again, this is a volatile market. We have to watch pretty closely the choppy trade if there's any change in the forecast. We also note that June is a very active month for USDA reports. June 10th, the new S&Ds, and June 30th, acreage and stocks report. So we'll be watching those pretty closely. Also, the influence of the markets outside, money flow, the dollar direction, also the impact of inflation or not, and what the U.S. does as far as interest rates and stimulus packages. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM. ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.